Right, so today we're at a property, and this is quite common. If you've got a downpipe and you're not too sure if you can't get to the drain, you can tap it. That is completely rammo. If you take that apart, water go everywhere. You're guaranteed to find the soakaway is probably blocked. Fortunately with this one, we've got an inspection cover we can lift off, and that is completely blocked. Push it down. Come on. Oh!
Now he's out.
He's out now. That stinks, doesn't it? Hey, look at this. So now I've got a question for you. How much do you think it's going to cost to get this soakaway replaced? I can tell you now, it is very expensive. So if you're buying a house, you need to get this checked. And also especially if you've got rise and damp symptoms.